Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
So hi guys, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire and I am here at the launch of Realme 2 today. So it was raining all over in Delhi NCR and somehow I managed to reach here just to give you this special bite of the first look. So this is how the new Realme 2 looks like, quite similar to Realme 1 but specs are very different. This phone is basically targeted for youngsters and who are in the millennial generation. They want their phone to look good, their camera to be good and a battery to be good because they use a lot of camera and as well as play a lot of games, so they need a lot of battery and looks are super priority for them. So I really like this diamond cut design. I'm like, this is very attractive for me. Realme 1 was also released some months back and this is like kind of similar to that one. It has this very nice attractive diamond cut design. You can see that. This is how it looks like. It has Gorilla Glass protection as well as these curved edges. So talking about the screen, it has a massive 6.2 inches display with a notch here, which makes the aspect ratio to be 19:9, a full view display. Like the bezels are quite slim and the notch properly, the earpiece and the front camera is placed. Here at the bottom we have this micro USB charging port with the speaker grill and a 3.5 audio jack. Here on the left side we have a volume rocker, splitted one. Then the good thing is it has a triple slot. That means a dedicated micro USB. That means a dedicated micro SD card slot which can be expandable to 256 GB. Back there's a 13+2 dual camera setup with a dual LED flash and the fingerprint sensor. So the most attractive part of the phone is the back for sure for me. The colors are quite vibrant and sharp and touch response is good. Viewing angles are also decent. Let's come to the setting part and run through the about phone part. It has OS version 5.1, Android version 8.1 Oreo out of the box. Processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor. The review unit right now is a 4 GB RAM and internal storage 64 GB. There is also a 3 GB option available. It has a 4230 mAh AI powered battery. That means it will save a lot of your battery life. It will preserve it and will make your charging easier by understanding the patterns of your charging type. Also, one good thing is that along with the fingerprint sensor and the face unlock, there are other modes also to unlock, like smart unlock through Wi-Fi, through Bluetooth and all. So now let's come to the camera section. To do the back camera is a 13+2 camera setup with a flash, and here you can see the modes. It has photo, video, time lapse, portrait, stickers and panorama. So the camera is AI based and you can use a lot of AI features both in the front and the back camera, as well as you can click portrait shots from both front and the back camera. And this is the beauty level and adjustment which you can make. Just coming to the front camera, you can see this is an 8 megapixel front camera capturing good details, and the skin tone looks quite fresh in this. Colors are a little oversaturated but not much, although I'll just put up the blur effect. So the phone was on the depth effect right now. Then there is HDR flash, and in the front you get the options like time lapse, video, sticker and panorama. So let's run through some of the pictures. This is a shot in the artificial blue light, and this is a normal filtered sunlight, you can say. So details are not that great, but the colors and all are good. So in this price range, this phone is a good buy, especially for the millennial generation, which are too much attracted to looks and they want a decent camera with a good battery life. It has been launched at a super aggressive pricing. The first variant is 3GB plus 32GB, which starts from a price range of 8,990, and the second variant is 4GB plus 64GB, that is priced at 10,990. The availability is 4th September 12th noon, and this is a Flipkart exclusive device. The black and the red variant will be available from 4th September, but the blue variant might be available from October starting. So this is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.